Hello everyone! Welcome to a new episode of Bo's Slow English. In today's episode, my husband is going to show you Tokyo, Japan. He took my camera to Japan and I asked him to film all around. I have actually never been to Japan, but he has been several times. I hope you enjoy this episode. Before we get started, please click like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. If you're interested in learning English with me, I offer private English lessons where you and I will converse. If you are seriously interested in this opportunity, please fill out the link below in the description. And now, here's Tokyo.
Hey everybody, so just landed in Tokyo, Japan, and I'm here very early, arrival at 5 in the morning. A hack that I have for the Hong Kong airport is looking for a shower room to freshen up. So there's 2 in this airport. Let's take a look. Here we go. Number 3. So now we're in the shower room. Got a coat hanger here for your clothes. Japanese toilet. Really clean. A lot of space to get ready. Comes with blow dryer, shampoo. Again, very clean, very spacious. Perfect for me to get ready for the day. I just got out of the shower, brushed my teeth, changed clothes, feel really refreshed, ready to start the day. Now it's time to take a taxi to my hotel. I'm going to drop my bags off and then explore a little bit until shops start to open up. It's still 6:20 in the morning, so it's very early. So just got dropped off by the taxi cab. I'm at Hotel Indigo. Here's my cab. It's a little, looks like it rained a little bit this morning, but the forecast calls for some sunny skies. I'm just dropping off my luggage now. Check-in isn't until 3 o'clock, which is 8 hours from now. I need to make myself busy and explore Tokyo. So while my bags are being stored and I have time to kill, I'm on the 11th floor going to have breakfast. I ordered a green tea, and my wife Bo would be very happy with me ordering a green tea after flying. She can explain the benefits, the health benefits of why green tea is great for you when you're traveling through the airport. And I ordered avocado toast. We have a side of tomato with a puree, and this is a tofu scramble on 2 little bite-sized avo toasts. There's also a buffet here, which I opted out of, and I just wanted to go a la carte. So the 7-Elevens in Japan are known for the quality of food. These are always the go-to snacks here. The one I'm going with is this one. It's just a grilled rice ball. But as you can see, some of these have egg, seaweed, and not sure if this is some kind of meat inside. I was debating whether to get this one or this one, and I ended up going with the fried rice ball. So let's give it a try. Pretty good. I would say there's a little soy sauce in there. That's what gives it its color. First stop on the agenda, a matcha place called Hatoya. Can I order a matcha latte?
Matcha latte?
Yeah.
So we have 4 types matcha latte. Most basic matcha latte is this one. So toasted matcha latte is little bitter and nutty taste. Roasted matcha latte is less bitter and nutty taste. handpicked matcha latte is most high grade one.
I'll do the number 3.
Number 3, hot or ice?
Hot.
Hot. Okay.
What kind of milk is it?
We have a regular milk or oat milk or soy milk.
Let's do oat.
Oat.
Yeah.
Okay. So hot matcha latte we have 2 sizes, regular size or plus 200 is bigger one.
Yeah.
Anything else?
That's it.
That's it. Thank you.
That looks like really good matcha.
Yes.
So straining the matcha. Milk. I was walking and just stumbled upon this place called Nachu Ra. And it looks like it's all gluten-free. Bread, coffee, cookies, everything gluten-free. Let me go check it out. Are you guys open? Yes. Yeah? Okay. Looks like they have a lot of coverage in magazines. So the French butter cake will be ready in 3 minutes? 3 minutes?
It's 3 minutes. Yes.
Okay. And then I'll get a iced coffee.
Iced coffee. Okay.
Yeah.
Here or to go?
To go.
To go.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Looks like there's a lot of coffee in the area. So I got my gluten-free bread, iced coffee, and this is my matcha from the place before. Just got the matcha just to try it. I'm trying to stay away from milk at the moment, but the coffee is just simple and plain coffee, nothing added to it. But let me try this gluten-free, what are they called? Financier. Real good. Straight out the oven. Might have to get another one. But it does seem like it's a coffee row. I'm at one. This is another one across the street. And I just came from this direction and I saw about 5. So this might be coffee row. So I made it to another bakery called Katane Bakery. Let's take a look. Just a croissant?
Croissant.
1. Tap?
Only cash.
Oh, really?
Only.
So that was a cash only spot. I feel bad because they pulled the croissant for me. I'm on my way to the convenience store to get cash. This place looks cool too. It's called Kasiki. I don't think it's on my list, but I'm going to research it and try to figure out what it is. I think it's more coffee. But we are on a street called Nishihara Street, and this is where the bakery was. There is another one up the street that doesn't open until 10 called Equal. I might come back a later date. I went to 7-Eleven and I got 10,000 yen, which is the equivalent of $64. I'm back at Katani Cafe, but now there's a little line, so I just gotta wait my turn. Croissant. Yeah. Arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you. Just took a bite of the croissant, and it was really good, really light tasting, not as buttery as you would find in Paris, but I know what makes a good croissant is the levels or the layers that are inside. Something's going on here with the Tokyo police, but I am now in Shibuya, so a lot busier here now, as you can see. Heading to lunch at a place called Brown Rice. Not sure what that guy did, but serious enough for 7 or 8 police officers to surround him. So this is the world famous Shibuya crossing or Shibuya scramble. That was the world's busiest Starbucks, but I'm going to take a little detour and go show you Hachiko. So this is Hachiko. He's a good luck dog in Shibuya. This is a statue. I think it's a Akita dog, but the story behind it is he waited for his deceased owner for nearly a decade, and the original statue was melted during World War II, but they replaced it in the 1940s. A very popular meeting spot, and as you can see, there's a huge line all the way back to here to take a photo of Hachiko. So heading to one of my favorite bag brands, Porter. Porter had many bags to choose from. There is a shoulder bag that I really like, so I might come back for it, but now we're going to visit another one of my favorite stores. This is actually a skate brand out of London called Palace. Palace is a beautiful store. All the locations I've been to are very nice, and it looks like they're doing a collaboration with Nike. Well, Palace didn't let me film inside, so the restaurant I'm eating at for lunch, it's called Brown Rice, organic, vegan, Japanese food restaurant and bar. I'm a little early, so let's see if they let me in. If not, I'll just have to wait. So it looks like I have a few options for lunch, 3 different options here. Let me look at the menu, order, and I'll show you what I got. I'm ready to order.
Oh, yeah.
I will get the bamboo basket steamed vegetable set.
Yeah.
And then for my drink, I want the seasonal herbal tea. It was really good, really tasty. Ate it all. Left a little eggplant. Very earthy, very healthy. I would rate this out of 5 a 5-star. Walking over to another store that is one of my favorites, Double Taps, to check out this Prada store. Really cool design. This street that we're walking on has all the luxury brands. So we have Acme Studios, we just passed Balenciaga, Comme des Garçons, you have Amiri over there, and all the other luxury brands. It's kind of a maze, but this is the store. Double Taps. Nice. How you doing? One of my favorite Japanese brands. Okay, no problem. So this is the store I entered to go shop. Again, they did not let me film. It's just a company policy for most of the stores that I frequent. I ended up buying a nice button-up that fit perfectly, and maybe I'll show you guys later, but off to the next spot. Now we are in Harajuku. This is the world famous Supreme store and neighborhood. I know for a fact just with my history with Supreme that they will not let you film in there. But let's try Neighborhood. So Neighborhood is a Japanese-owned brand. So you can find great deals here because the prices will be a lot cheaper than they would be in the US. This is another brand that we used to carry, very military inspired, but also workwear inspired. Finally got to the hotel, checking in. What a great number, 2623. And here's the room. Wow, look at that view. The wardrobe area. Bedroom. Nice sink. Beautiful mirror. You have a tub in here with the shower. A robe, maybe for later. Toilet. And look at this view. This is awesome. This is all of Shibuya. Harajuku is this way. Really nice view. It looks like they might be building another hotel right there.